Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is S20 Ultra 5G and the camera lens is broken. So if I try to take photos, it's not that clear. Today we're going to replace the actual camera lens. First we need to turn this off and make sure you do have the correct replacement. I'm going to show you which one I do got. This is super easy to apply, but it's very difficult to pull out the actual broken glass because the glass is super strong. This is the actual wrong way. First I try to apply some heat and take out the broken camera lens only. And this is much more difficult and also risky for the actual camera quality because of constantly you are applying a lot of heat. So this way didn't work. Now I'm going to show you how to do it in proper way. Now we have to remove this camera lens. I would suggest you please try to have a safety goggle because those gloves are really it's a kind of crunch quick and there is super strong adhesive underneath, so we have to apply a lot of heat. So make sure you do apply heat correctly and give it a try, and the actual adhesive will melt down. Need to be easier to take out. But don't perform this repair without safety goggles and gloves. As you can see, this one gets shattered easily. It doesn't come out straight away. Okay, and I found it's very effective when I apply heat from the rear. Then I can push the actual broken glass from the rear to the front, and in that way it comes out. You're gonna see in the video anyway.